Today we are going to speak about, we are going to unbox Tefal. The model is fv6832mo, one of the premium of the Tefal brand, with the 2800 watts, 50 G per minute and 260 G per minute. This is for the boost, water boosting. It has got very good sole plate. So as I unbox it, I'm going to explain more about this one. It's one of the best in the Tefal brands, guys. Okay, we'll just open it. It's nothing much inside, as you can see. It is just very important is the manual. Make sure all these manuals are, the manual is very important, so you can read, everything is there, all the details, the water level. So it's very important, this one. You just need to keep it properly. So I just open it and see. This is the sole plate they were talking about. There's a water and a debris outlet from here that you can remove the dust, and you can the remaining of the dust of the clothes. It's one of the best actually. And adjustment is there. The water boosting is here. There is a switch here that you can switch on, boost water on or off when you don't need to use it. And this also, there's a water spray from the top. And just now, this is where you put your water. So meanwhile, while putting water here, you have to make sure that you close this port. There is a, you can see it properly here, there is on, off. So you can just put it on off when you're putting water here. Meanwhile, I'll just put water. Mind you, I already closed the pores. It's in the closet. So it doesn't, there is a measurement up to maximum, you can see. You can go up to the maximum level is there. So depending on the clothes you're going to iron, for me, I've just kept it in the middle. And now I'll just put it on power and see the power that it has. Actually, it's one of the best with around 2800 watts. So just put in power. Safety first, to make sure you switch off when you're putting power, then you switch on. And then you have to adjust to cotton. I'll adjust to cotton from here. And there will be a small light showing that it is working. There's a light there that's going to show you that it's working. So, yeah, it's working. So I put it in cotton so that I'll get the maximum range of boost. So you leave it for some minutes, maybe 1 minute maximum. Then it will start, it will be hot enough to start boosting the water out. See, within 45 seconds or 1 minute, it is ready to iron right now. So I'll try one or two clothes, and then you can see the performance. Meanwhile, it is very powerful. You can see the boost. (260 G per minute) boost is very powerful. It can remove all the grease and the debris in the clothes. So I'll just demonstrate it. I'll just iron a few clothes and then you can see the difference.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we are going to demonstrate. You just put the power boosting there in the middle, and you can see how it's ironing now. It's one of the best, and because of the sole plate, it cannot burn the cloth. Very fast because of the super power of 2800 watts. Within a short time, your cloth is ready, as you can see. Very fast, guys. So I would suggest you to buy this iron. It's one of the best that Tefal has produced. In a short period of time, you can see it's ready. The garment is ready. Very fast, very efficient, and this is cotton. It's very fast. Thank you guys for watching our channel.